Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add Suica card to your Apple Wallet. First of all, you need to open your Apple Wallet and click the plus icon in the top right corner. After that, you need to select Travel Card, and in the search, you need to write Suica and click on it. There are two options. You can transfer your existing card. So if you already have Suica card, you can link it to your Apple Wallet. Just click on it. And right here, you need to enter your Suica ID number, last four digits, and you enter your date of birth. Then click the next button in the top right and link your card to your Apple Wallet. Or you can just click continue, select the amount, for example, 1000 Japanese yen, and click add in the top right corner. After that, if you don't have payment method, you need to click add payment method. After that, you need to finalize the transaction and buy Suica card on Apple Wallet. So that's how you can add Suica to your Apple Wallet. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.